Alright guys, so we are currently seeing on the CBEX matter right here. I've been noticed on their Telegram, the activity is quite still going on, like it's just happening as if nothing currently happened. But recently, you can actually notice that there's a scam icon, which is like a flag on their account right here to actually notify everybody that this is a scam. But something is actually coming to my head. Telegram are the one that actually put this particular icon right here. They actually dropped this icon there to identify that they are a scam project. But Telegram have been the platform they've been using for about 1 year or 1 year plus when they are still been existing right here, and nothing like that happened. If that has been there before, many people might actually know that, oh, might actually get alerts that this is quite a scam or not. So now, what do we actually think? I think what I'm currently thinking right here. If you have some opinion, if you have some thoughts right here, please go straight to the comment section to drop it right here, because it was after they actually got scammed and they know it was a scam, or let us say when everybody actually can see with our clear eyes that it was a scam, even though many of us actually have the feelings, oh, this might be a scam, this is, but so far they are still paying, they are still doing a lot of stuff, they have offices. I'm still coming back to the office matter, to the office side. So they have offices everywhere, they have branches, so it is quite hard to actually really believe that was like 100% scamming. Everybody knows it's a Ponzi scheme and it's going to go anytime, but nobody actually expected it's going to be coming anytime soon. Alright, so I'll continue this particular video, but let me drop a disclaimer right here, because remember, this is not a financial advice and it's for information and entertainment purpose only. So do well to make your own personal research before you eventually jump into any platform right here. I'm here to make video about platforms like this, get information, read their articles, and convert it to a video for you to actually break it down and understand what is actually happening right here. So concerning the Telegram and do stuff right here, we can actually see from the Telegram, like Telegram has actually been their source of like the website they have been using, like the channel they have been using to communicate with people, gather people together. And even Telegram, as big as they are, they never knew this was a scam until the end of the result actually came out that we actually saw it to be a scam. So what do you think about this particular stuff? Do you think Telegram did not know about this, or they knew? But I believe Telegram cannot know about this and allow it to be a scam, because I know how Telegram works. They have the terms and conditions right here. So immediately they saw it's quite seeming to be a scam project right here, that was when they actually came out with the flag. And that's the best thing they can do, because they can actually control if you are going to join or not. The only thing they can do is to ban the account or put that flag right here. So anybody that comes in and see that particular flag that it is a scam project or a scam channel, then everybody's going to get aware with that. I'm still going to be making more further video about updates on how I see right here. And if you are doing pause right here, pause is actually distributing their allocation already on the Bybit and also on Biget right here, so you can join. I have a Telegram channel at the description of this particular video where I post about updates on how to invest and also how to take risk while investing right here. So I'll see you in my next video, and peace.